students, students of 9th and 10th standard English medium. Before we go ahead, 10th standard students must have to revise little bit what we learned in last session. Students, in last session we learned grammar topic, introduction of verb. In that we learned simple present tense, lat lakar. Okay. In that we learned suffixes of simple present tense. We learned parasmaypada and atmanepada. Parasmaypadas was there like Uttam Purush singular form me, Uttam Purush Dvivachan me vah, then mah, me vah mah. Madhyam Purush ekvachan si, Madhyam Purush dvivachan thah, Madhyam Purush bahuvachan tha. Then Anya Purush third person singular form we learn ti, Anya Purush dvivachan tah, and Anya Purush bahuvachan anti. That's we learn as parasmaypada of simple present tense, means vartaman kaal. Now another we learn atmanepad of simple present tense. Uttam Purush singular form e, Uttam Purush dvivachan vahe, and Uttam Purush bahuvachan mahe. After that we learnt Madhyam Purush ekvachan se, Madhyam Purush dvivachan ithe, and then bahuvachan ithe dve. Okay. Anya Purush we learnt e vahe mahe se te ite ante, te ite ante. Means these two box we learned in last session in part number 1. Now today you will learn future tense in part number 2. In Sanskrit, according to Panini, it's known as lut lankar. In exam using this word, so remember lut lankar. Okay. This future tense follow as present tense. In present tense we learn me vah mah, si thah tha, ti tah anti. And then we learn e vahe mahe, se ithe dve, and te ite ante. Here also in future tense same, but one word we have to include in affixes. Okay. Here we have to use sya word in front of me, syami. Then sya vah, then sya mah. Means in Uttam Purush we have to write in future tense sya, 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 syami, syamah, and syamah. Okay. Same way in Madhyam Purush also syasi, syathah, and syatha. In Anya Purush singular form syati, syatah, and shanti. Okay. That's here you will follow in parasmaypad, students. Now in atmanepad as present tense, in present tense e vahe mahe. So here with e we have to use ca. E vahe, vahe means sya vahe, e vahe mahe, mahe means sya mahe. Means in present tense we have to plus sya word. So siye, sya vahe, sya mahe. Now in Madhyam Purush second person in present tense was there se, ithe, dve. Now in future tense syase, only syase, sya you will not use here, syase, then syathe, and then syadve. Okay. Sya, syase, syathe, and syadve. Now in Anya Purush in present tense was there te, ite, ante. Now in future tense syate, then syate, te, ite. So syate in a have to plus matra here. Okay. Syate, then syante, ante in present tense here syante. So the future tense happen like this. Behind me you can see on my right side I have written, means it's depend as present tense. So if you will learn students present tense properly, then you will get easily future tense also. So here I have taken future tense first, then we will see past tense, because future and present tense both as similar. Only in future tense we have to plus sia word, sia and sia. Okay, so let's one time I repeat. Here behind me you can see श्यामी, श्यामः, श्यामः, श्यसि, श्यथः, श्यथ, श्यति, श्यतः and shyanti. Same way Atmanepada was like this. See, in last part number 1 we have seen present tense. Okay, I wahe wahe, se ite ve, te ite ante. Now in future tense happen like this. Siye, sya wahe, sya mahe, shyashe, shyethe, shyadve, then shyate, shyete, shyante. Students, you want to get 2 marks in board exam, then these 2 marks for future tense you have to learn. From present tense minimum 2 marks, and from this future tense also minimum 2 marks. Minimum 4 marks you will learn, then totally you will get minimum 4 marks in board exam. And if 4 marks you will not get, but minimum 2 or 3 marks you will get from these 4 marks. So must have to learn for board exam. Again and again repeat like this. Let's one time I repeat. Niva ma si tha ta ti ta anti I ti ta anti I vahe mahe se the dve te te ante. Okay, same way in future tense syami, syamah, syamah, syasi, syatha, syatah, syati, syatah, syanti. And in Atmanepada shye, syavahe, syamahe, syashe, syati, syadve, syate, syete and syante. This way you will repeat one by and again, then you will get it easily, students. Okay, students, by using this we have to form verb forms. Okay, here I have just written gun 1, patha. In gun 1 you will find a ending words. Okay, so here I have written one example of patha to study. Let's we have to follow this. Okay, affix in this verb forms. Or I already told in part number 1 how the verb form happen. Verb forms happen by using the root forms. For example, one tree it has root and then upside and then branches you will get it. Same way here also, first root form, then you will get branch and then you will get verb forms. Okay, so we have to make verb forms. Here syami you can see, students. Now in future tense what happens? See, root form is patha. Okay, in your book also given like this. Many root form given of gun 1, then 4th gun, then 6th gun and 10 guns. Okay, by using this example you can turn them like this: gun 4, gun 6. Okay, 4, 6, and the first gun here I am doing. And last gun is 6th one. In this gana, the root forms divided as standard wise. In 1, O ending, in 4th, okay, E ending minimum O ending root form will come, but here have to plus year, so you can make it. In 6 also same pattern, and in 10 also same pattern. Here have to plus and then you have to make root forms. Now in see, syami. So this happen like this: ta, tha. Okay. Then you have to do patha, and then ti, sya, mi. Patha will turn in pati and syami. Here sha, this also will come in exam, board exam. So remember, if this surgery and this gets acceptable, don't worry. Okay. So Patishyami. Then second Syamaha. So here happen Patishyava. Okay. Next Syamaha. So here happen Patishyama. Okay, students. This way you can write verb forms in present tense and in future tense. Here we are doing future tense. In last part number 1 we have seen present tense. Here Shyami plus and in present tense only me. Okay. Now see Shashi. So here upon Shashi. Okay. Next Shyatha. Then upon okay. Patishyata. Here Sya and Sya. Here only Sya. Okay. Patishashi, Patishyata, and here Patishyata. Understood, students? So Patishyami, Patishyavaha, Patishyamaha, Patishashi, Patishyataha, and Patishyatha. Now Shyati. Patishyati. Okay, Patisha. Then Titaha. Patisyata. Okay, and then Patishyanti. 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 Here this is also valid, students. For example, here this give Shatpansa and also valid, students. So don't worry. Okay. If you will refer next time book, then you will see this okay. This Shatpansa and it's valid. Rabitsa and Shatpansa both valid. So remember this thing. Now this way we can write some other guns root form also. In fourth one you will see Nruta means dance. In 9th standard book you will see. In 10th standard also this root form given Patha and Nruta. After that in fourth gana Vida means to be happen, and Likha it's also in 6th gana. Likha means to write. This way we can write Lekhi Syami, Lekhi Syamaha, Lekhi Syamaha, Lekhi Syashi, Lekhi Syataha, and Taha. Okay. So this way we can follow these root forms in board exam. Now let's little bit we have to discuss other root form of Likha. Okay. Here we have to use how you will do here. Say Likhi Syami, then Likhi Syavaha, then Likhi Syamaha, another Likhi Syashi, Likhi Syataha, Likhi Syatha, Likhi Syati, Likhi Syataha, and Likhi Syanti. Another root form also we can take Vada. Okay. Vadishyami, Vadishyamaha, Vadishyamaha, Vadishyashi, Vadishyataha, Vadishyataha, Vadishyati, Vadishyata, and Patishyanti. So Vadishyanti. This way we can write some other examples too. Now this A, how we will write this A? See here, Patishyami. So it's happen like this. Okay. Patishe. How you will do it? Patishe. Understood? Then here Syamahe. So Patishyavahe. Mahe means Patishyamahe. Patishashi, it happened Patishashi. Okay. Then Patishyataha means Shyathe. So Patishyathe. Patishyatha will Shyadve means Patishyadve. Patishyati, then happen Patishyate. Shyate. Patishyata will change and Patishyate. Here Shanti. Patishanti will change in पठिष्येते. This way we can write some examples by using these two words. This you have to learn properly, so easily you can write some other examples too. Okay students, so I hope you understood it very well. Now how to solve in board exam students. Students, here I have written instruction, that's way another instruction also will come, but just I have written one example. Adonikitasya kriyapadasya, these are the kriyapads forms. Lut lakar that means this future tense, lat lakar means present tense. So remember these words. Here uttam purush bahuvachan means this form you have to find from option uttam purush bahuvachan. In exam here option 1, 2, 3 and 4 options will give. For example, one given patishyami, another given patishyanti, another patishyama, means 4 options you will get, and you have to find uttam purush bahuvachan. Here see, uttam purush bahuvachan means syama. Okay students, in case it happen like this, syama you will not find from 4 options, then you will go in this box, you have to find syamahe, means you will easily get one option. From this box you will not get answer, then you have to see atmanepada, and that's way you have to choose proper answer. I hope you understood this future tense properly, and refer this, learn these two boxes, Parasmanepada and Atmanepada at your home, to get minimum 2 or 3 marks in board exam. Take care. Thank you.